Okay, good morning. It's Tuesday the 18th. We're leaving for Texas today. I just woke up, it's like 10 a.m. Cam has to pack. I have to pack. Are you ready?
To pack?
Yeah.
I am packing now, yeah.
He's bringing a duffel bag. Something tells me I'm gonna end up with a whole ass suitcase. He has 3 American Force shirts in there right now.
You can never have enough.
We have like 2 of every hoodie that we have, and then I think I have a 4th one.
Pro-com shirt.
Pro-com shirt. Do we have 2 of those or just 1?
1.
Okay.
Bring some like short sleeves and stuff just in case. No sleeves.
He's putting his stuff in there. This is a bag of stuff from his house that I want. I really want to bring the whole case of ID, but I can't. Easy boy.
I like butter noodles.
Okay, so we're going to Walgreens, and then the bank, and then my house, and then I'm gonna shower, and then we gonna take a nap. Look at it. Okay, we're at my house with the doggos. I gotta pack. I probably won't put myself packing because it's packing. Hey you. Hey you. You gotta take a nap. I'm basically packed. He's playing TikToks over there. Something's wrong with her. I'm waiting for my clothes to dry. Crocs. Right, so we're packed. I'll show you what our backseat looks like. But it's, what time is it? 8:05. We are leaving. I could have vlogged more, but I did my makeup. I did my hair, and then we just sat around. So we could have left earlier, but we wanted to see Gabe's grandparents before we left. So, any thoughts?
Let's go.
Are you ready to drive 15 hours?
Yep.
Okay. This is what the back looks like. It could be a lot more organized, but since Savannah or any of her friends aren't coming with us this time, we kind of just made a mess. Hoping there's gonna be like a welcome to Texas sign, but I don't think, I mean, good enough, right? Nice. Well, we're here.
Oh, there it is.
Where? Oh, there.
Texas.
We still have
4 hours.
Yeah.
Texas is big.
Texas is big.
We're going to the bottom of Texas too, so.
Yeah, we're going to Conrail, so. Yep, that's that, I guess.
Hype.
We were exhausted last night. We stopped like 3 times to take a nap, but now we're doing, yeah, now we're doing pretty good. That's our room. Little chill out area. Kitchen. Oh my gosh, we have a coffee bar, Gabe. And then and then the bathroom. We have a coffee bar. Yeah. We were about to get our stuff and unpack. And we see our first sighting of Texas deer.
Also, there's overnight for us. And then my truck.
Texas deer.
Yes or no? In the headlines. Yes or no?
Wake up.
Leave it in the comments.
We're making breakfast. We were supposed to be up a long time ago. I mean, some coffee that's really not coffee anymore. Trying to get. I'm doing my hair now. We're gonna go meet up with some people. I don't know who they are because I'm antisocial and have no friends. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so we haven't really done much. We washed the truck. It's cold. It's been raining all day, so it's been kind of crappy. But we're gonna go register the truck at Lonestar, and then we're gonna go to a pre-party. I'll vlog that, I guess. You can see too well, but there's 3 huge trucks behind us. We were like, oh my gosh. So I figured I'd put it in because you can't, yeah. There's 3 of them. Gabe had to pee really bad. So, we register over there. Okay, we got our wristbands.
Yay!
I want that one.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. We're going to Scoops now, which is the pre-party and whatnot.
My door's all wet.
Okay, we're here. That truck. I want to go look at that truck. That's beautiful.
I know him.
Anyways, yeah, we're here.
I'll vlog tomorrow.
He'll vlog tomorrow. All right, we're parked. There's so many cool trucks. There's one over there that I like. Gabe says he knows him or something.
Yeah, I do.
I like his truck. This truck.
Fucking stars. Teach me about fucking stars.